In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your HP DeskJet 4132e printer. So it comes with the HP 67 color and black ink cartridge. Now take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Remove the orange seal. Repeat the process for this ink cartridge. Now both the ink cartridges are ready. Now open the ink cartridge chamber door. So that's in the front. And go to the ink chamber. Now take the ink cartridges out. So press the ink cartridge down and take it out. Now take your new ink cartridge, place the color ink cartridge on the color side, slide it in, hold the printer with the other hand and push it in. Same for the black ink cartridge. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Printer is ready to use. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.